Alright, today we're going to be looking at the parishes of Barbados, so we're going to look into the terminology first. So they're legally styled as the parish of, as opposed to the American naming convention of parish coming after the name. So St. John's Parish would be the parish of St. John. So the use of the term parish derives from the island's religious Anglican history under the Church of England. Now the actual history. So the system of parish churches was originally based on the system of the Church of England and was the visible expression forming the basis of the parliamentary representation in Barbados. The differing size and shape of each parish was primarily influenced by the large plantation estates of cotton, obviously sugarcane and tobacco, that existed during the colonial years in Barbados. As various chapels of ease were created during the 17th century across the island, some local churches were elevated to parish church status, leading to the formation of new parishes surrounding those freshly created versities. Now, the actual original six, right? So by 1629, the English settlers, after landing at Jamestown, formed six original parishes on the island, which were, and we're going to use the English term and legal term, the parish of Christ Church, the parish of St. James, the parish of St. Lucy, the parish of St. Michael, the parish of St. Peter, and the parish of St. Thomas. By 1645, the land holding of Barbados was increased and the shape of the original six was reconfigured, giving way to the additional 5 parishes, giving us 11 in total. Some prior churches of the state within the existing parishes were elevated to the level of parish church, and as well the consequences were actually forming new parishes around these new versities. And we have the parish of St. Andrew, the parish of St. John, the parish of St. George, the parish of St. Joseph, and the parish of St. Philip. Now, thus Barbados was converted into the current 11 parishes of today, corresponding with the earlier church parishes. As was coming under the British system, each parish had a single main pastoral church, or parishional church, or cathedral. In the case of Bridgetown, actually, having been elevated to city status. So Bridgetown is kind of like a city-state, which acted as sort of the capital of each parish. The parishes each held their own local government councils until these were abolished in 1959, following a brief administrative districting experiment within Barbados until 1967. Now, we all know the 11 parishes, but we'll just go over them one more time. But lastly, there's something interesting to be had. So within the country, travel is actually unrestricted to everyone in moving from parish to parish because it's a unitary state, so no parish is like kind of like a federation, right? With increasing urban sprawls and the new construction projects across the country though, many neighborhoods and even parishes and paristorial borders are today very ill-defined, but basically from the top to the bottom, have St. Lucy in the north, St. Peter in the northeast, St. James in the center, St. Michael in the southeast, Christ Church in the south, St. George in the southern central, St. Thomas in the dead center, St. Andrew in the northwest, St. Joseph in the central west, St. John in the southwest, and St. Philip in the bottom west, along with Christ Church. But those are the 11 parishes of Barbados, so hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Until next time, yeah, they're just 11 guys, not 12, not 13, not 10, but 11. But hope you learned something, and happy independence.